Hi everybody, welcome to the paradise, welcome to the community. Today I will be talking about one of the community driven decentralized community which that will be based on the protocol of the ecosystem. There will be some stable and sustainable ecosystem that we will be touch in this video and investigate together. But before going into detail of this video, I would like to highlight one thing, that it's not an investment suggestion. That's why you need to decide by yourself whether you would like to continue with this website or not, because these collections of information I collected from the website or via their social media account. I also will be shown these social media accounts will also be shown in this video that you can also click. The links will be on the description too. You can click and you will be directed to the website where you can investigate by yourself. But in this video I'm gonna mainly touch the highlighted points for you that I have found from their Google resources or their social media account or so on. That's why we can actually move now to the website in order to continue and show you what's going on in this organization and what this organization is about. So let's get started to the video. So guys, as you see the video, as you see the website, it's called Quasar Capital.io. .io means it's an online website where you can actually do your transactions and so on in this online via this online website. But we will investigate deeply about this and highlighted the most important information with you. Now going to the subsections, we can begin actually with capital. But before capital, let's actually see what is Quasar Capital and what this organization would like to highlight to us. It's a capital, it's a community-driven, decentralized, autonomous organization that governs the Protocol Owned Liquidity and its native token QAA, providing a sustainable and stable DeFi ecosystem. After this short introduction, you can actually click this docs button where to learn more information about this Quasar. As you see, this is about the rise of Quasar. What's a Quasar and why this? They carry, guys, on the Olympus Deus Pol Protocol Owned Liquidity concept and aim higher and something even bigger. It's a decentralized reserve currency protocol available on Arbitrum network based on the QAA token. Its QAA token is backed by a basket of assets in the Quasar Capital treasury, giving it an instinct value that it cannot fall to below. But what's the point of Quasar Capital, guys? It's the native Arbitrum network, as I stated earlier. In the long term, guys, they believe this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency so that QAA can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency. But in the short term, they intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. Continuation this, if you would like to more information about this, you can click this Wikipedia where you will be directed to the perpetual features about this. You can read and investigate this by yourself. But coming to back, there's a get started where it begins with this question: why Arbitrum? You can read it by yourself, but what we will do in this video is about creating a wallet. We will create a wallet MetaMask. I will also download with you guys in order to show you. We will follow these steps and using this Arbitrum RPC. And also, guys, there's FAQ, beginning from FAQ, continuation with contracts, roadmap, some website. We will touch them. But there's a join capital button. If you click this, you'll be directed to the website where they said that they still doesn't have Quasar Capital yet. That's why we don't need to do anything about this. Let's go back and look through the price, total value staked, and treasury balance. It's all about the supplement. And how to participate in the capital. Let's read about because they are also important. About the staking, it plays an important role in the Quasar Capital. Stakers deposit their QAA in the protocol, which contributes to the long-term price stability. In exchange, stakers receive their pro-rate share of rebases and governance rights. About the bonding part, it allows you to trade various tokens for QAA at a discounted price. In exchange, bond sales provides additional liquidity and reserves access to the Quasar treasury, contributing to the stability of the protocol. As a result, 99% of all liquidity is owned by Quasar. After this, we can continue about the exchange. But let me actually show this subsection where I also want to show this. If you click this exchange, you will see the trade part. In the trade part, this trade is related to the Quasar exchange. So as you see, you can click 1 month, 1 day, and like 15 minutes what was happening. You can investigate these strategies beginning from some part to the end part based on your strategy, and you can connect it to your wallet. And by looking through this website, we can actually launch and connect to wallet. If you click this button, let's also connect to wallet, you will be seeing 3 wallet: MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, wallet connect. You can decide by yourself which wallet you decide, but I'm choosing MetaMask. You can click this, you will be directed to the website where let me actually show from there. You can click this download and you download. If you are iOS user, if you have an Apple or if you only have Apple, you need to only use iOS and install MetaMask for iPhone. If you have an Android, which is like Samsung and other one, uses Android operating system, you need to download this. But I would like to download for Chrome, and I'm clicking the install button, where you will be added to the Chrome as an extension, and that's good to begin to MetaMask, right? You can also begin this one. While this downloading, you can click X and continue to research about it. You can read more about before joining the exchange, again in this doc button. Let me delete this, and actually you see about this question before actually. So you see we already have MetaMask. It opens the account, and you can actually agree and create a new wallet for you. You need to agree, new password you need to write, and continue to MetaMask. If you finish these 3 steps, you will be able to create a MetaMask and join and connect this wallet to here. Coming to the staking part, another important one is about staking. As I shown in the website, this part, staking part, if you read more about, of course, first of all, let me talk about when the staking part starts. Guys, QA staking will start 24 hours after bonding starts. This will protect the price down, which happens after rebase. You can take the Quasar USDC LP bound without risk, but it's a passive long-term strategy. The increase in your stake of QAA translates into constantly failing cost, bases converging on zero. This means even if the market price of this drops below your initial purchase price, given a long enough staking period, the increase in your staked balance should eventually outpace the fall in price. That's why when you unstake, you burn this and receive an equal amount of QAA tokens. But coming to the bonding part, which also be showed in bonding in the participation part of this website, it's about the value accrual strategy of Quasar Capital. For example, like when the user bonds the QAA tokens, they are actually selling their assets in order to buy a bond from the protocol. And that's why the protocol codes the bonder with terms for a trade at a future date. These terms include a predefined amount in order to complete. After this, in the bonding part, it's an active short-term strategy that you need to investigate. By the way, in the right side there's a coupling where you can copy this. The price discovery mechanism of the secondary bond market renders bonds discounts more or less unpredictable. Therefore, bonding is considered a more active investment strategy that has to be monitored constantly in order to be more profitable as compared to staking. That's why you can call their liquidity pool that ensures there's always locked exist liquidity in their trading pool. Common continuation with exchange, you can actually read it by yourself, but let me actually show this picture, which is about the long and there's a leverage slider and some statistics. For example, there's the enterprise, as you see it's 1000. It says that as shown in here in the website, the enterprise is this, and the liquidity price, which is also here, this one it is in this amount. Below the swap box you will also see exit price, which is the price that will be used to calculate profits. As you see, this exit price is about the calculation of profits and immediately close the position. The exit price will change the price, guys, of the token you are longing and shorting. After this, there's a borrow fee, which is in this percentage. It's about dedicated at the start of every hour. This is, guys, a fee actually paid to the counterpart of your trade. The fee per this borrow fee per hour will vary based on utilization. It's calculating as it was here, right? Assets borrowed divided total assets in pool and multiplying with this percentage in order to understand the borrow fee. Coming to the up of this, there's a long short, which is the long position and short position. For example, then the long position is about earning a profit in the tokens goes up and downs. In the short position, again it goes down and up, but with the same logic. Managing positions, you can read it by yourself. It's mostly about the statistic and closing a position. Stop loss takes profit. Let me actually show this one. Close long Ethereum. There's a market and trigger, which is about the partial liquidity and also pricing, as you see in this structure. You can choose this Quasar. Like it says that there's no price impact for traders of this exchange, so you can execute larger trade exactly at the market price. During this during times of high volatility, there will be a spread from a changeling price to median price of this reference. And you see this also here, it's more about the fees and so on. Coming to the roadmap, let me actually go through this fast because the most important was staking and bonding that I have highlighted for you. This is about Q2 phase 2023 and Q3 phase. It's also in the 2023. So what point differentiates these phases is about, for example, Quasar bridge launch. So in Q2 phase, Quasar Capital launched, guys, as you see, but in Quasar bridge launch in the Q3, and also Quasar exchange that I have also shown in here, it's also launched, and I mean they improve, right? And trading competitions live added, referral program live, and so on. Staking and vesting also added in here, which I highlighted the staking part in here. Actually clicking this website, before clicking this website, let me continue with this website in order to complete it. I would like to show you the last part of this. It's not a stable coin, guys. QAA, it's a coin, but it's not a stable coin. It's backed by $1 worth of assets in the treasury, not paid to it. Because the treasury backs every QAA with at least $1, the protocol would buy back and burn OHM when it trades below $1. But coming to the second token, which is about Square token, staked QAA, it's a derivative token of QAA that's earned by staking QAA in the Quasar Capital. Staking QAA to earn QAA, staking QAA, this essentially unlocks this for a period of time, making it not sellable or transferable. If you click this go to stake, this is not stable, active now, but if you click this buy on Sushi, you can buy on Sushi the QAA, and with this connecting your MetaMask wallet or other one of 3 wallet that I have shown in the beginning. Also, if you click, you will see in here. There's also governance part. I would like to finish with this part, which all about the snapshot of these different organizations. For example, there's a straight DAO, ABA, Optimism Collect, and continuation to the end, which is about Gitcoin, NNS, and so on. After this, you can also access this these docs by clicking this button. Also, there's I have shown you the exchange part 2. This is the part where you can actually investigate the short term, long term, with different days, minutes, hours. Even you can investigate this token by connecting your wallet. I also haven't shown you how you can connect your wallet. Actually, that was all what I wanted to share with you guys. So guys, as you see, this is now let's move their social media account. Let's investigate their social media account, and first of all we can look through the Twitter account of them. If you click this button, you'll be directed to their official Telegram group, where it's about the Quasar, twitter.com, quasar.io, and in this capital you will see daily update about the Quasar Capital and some DeFi. And also slogan is here, the brightness project in DeFi. So daily basis information will be given for you in order to investigate and decide by yourself for the future investors. And after this, you will see mainly the tweet if you click this follow up button. After this, the Telegram account comes, and in here this is their official Telegram group. You can click this and you can join their Telegram group, where you will see daily different kind of information in their Telegram group. It's also beneficial for you if you would like to continue in this capital. After Telegram group, the Discord, the last one, if you join, you will be directed to their Discord channel, where it's new, but there's some rules that in order to continue, and if you would like to contact with the users of this Quasar Capital in a way that in their Discord channel, you will be able to actually access to their Discord, and all the users will be visible here. You can talk, you can investigate by the community. Within the community, you can talk with friends and investigate by yourself. So that was all what I wanted to show about the website of this. If you click, you will be directed to their official Telegram group. So guys, that was all what I wanted to share with you in this video. As you have seen, as you have observed, that this community driven decentralized organization was about the governing the protocols and also the native tokens, sustainable and stable DeFi. After this research, after this investigation that we did together, that we investigate looking through the highlighted information that this organization would like to give us, you could also continue to search by yourself via clicking the links. It will be on the description, and visiting the official Telegram or Twitter accounts in order to get the daily news, because you can investigate this daily news to make sure that it's the best way to investigate by yourself. And in this video, that was all what I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked, you enjoyed from my explanation. That's why if you like, please do not forget to subscribe and give your comment. Now, see you on the next video. Bye bye.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.